Hey guys, I'm halfway done insulating my garage door with this Polypro EPS insulating board. It's R 2.8, let's say almost 3 and 3/4 inch. I've got the silver side facing me and the white side facing out because I'm going to put another layer of bubble wrap on top of this garage door. I'm going to put the bubble wrap between this here and this here, creating air cavity, and that should give me more insulating properties. So to test how well these things are working, I'm going to use my thermal imaging thermometer. Okay, 91 degrees outside on a panel over there, and 84 degrees. Okay, 84, 91. We're doing good so far.